Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you some charts really quick. So let's go over Bitcoin first. So Bitcoin right now 110, looking good. We needed to get above 112 by the end of the month. So we have about 7 days left. Yeah, 7 days give or take, and we have to get there. So if we can get over 112, that was GameStop's reported Bitcoin value last quarter. So if they do end up below that, then they actually have to show a loss on their income statement. But in our case, I think it'll be above 112. We have a week to get there. Some people found the bottom on Bitcoin at 103, pushed it up. We also know this could be your crypto winter if you look at all the other cryptos, but it's the yellow line we need to get above, and we're really close. So if we look at it on the 1 hour, you're almost there. We've been above it plenty of times within the last couple of days, and we're pushing back up. So looks good for us if you own GameStop. Another thing about GameStop, what a great stock, what a great thing to own. Um, let's see what it did today. So I want to show you this just so that we're clear. This is how it came out this morning. If you were able to get in the 22s, like a lot of people were, you saw a really good run in the middle of the day all the way up. So massive volume starts rolling in. I say massive volume, 8 million, 10 million over the last 2 days. That means people bought the dip, and you really can't hold it back. So I think coming out for Friday, we'll start finishing strong, pushing towards 24. And absolutely, because you're getting cash for cash. I mean, it's a really good stock to buy, and certainly with all the announcements that they're making, and earnings will be coming out next month, and this is the end of it all. So you have a week left this week to shop at GameStop, support your investment. This would be it. The chart looks phenomenal in the short term. This is on the 30-minute. You have a golden cross, and it's proving that. Additionally, on the 1 hour, you are now headed towards a golden cross. So you'll see a push up, or you should see a push out of the zone. I'll even show you the 4 hour. 4 hour looks spread across, but we still have plenty of room to go up before we start curving for a 4 hour red cross. But definitely bouncing off that line. I showed you the line yesterday, and it was just weird. You can draw the line and it actually holds up. But that trend line started from way back here, a year ago, at least a year and 3 months ago. So we've been pushing up, touch the bottom, pushed up. And right now we're curving back up for a golden cross. So push to the top of the zone and right back down. This is how it's happened. This is how it's happened over all these years. These are not like new Dorito lines that we're drawing. Like we're showing you the bullish pennants. So the bullish pennant is here. We're already in that golden cross zone on the weekly. We will get to the end of this pennant and we will break out. We'll be playing in this bigger pennant right here. It's the Dorito within the Dorito. And that's going to continue to break out and up. And you'll break out of this and up. And next thing you know, you're playing in this pennant here. So when you're playing in the world of pennant versus pennant, which we call Dorito, how many triangles do you see? Right? So a good breakout can happen. Go out here and test. And then also a breakout and run. Like we're going to break away. I think it's going to happen. I think the pressure's on. And there's no way this stock can stay where it's at. If we look at the websites here, why is it not showing? Of course, no edits, no cuts, guys. Don't care. It's my computer reset while I was away. So there we go. So here's the website. 1,300 plus cards right now for sale. PSA graded cards. 1334, not 7, but it is elite. So that's GameStop. We're going to update you on value. It's there. It's in the 20s. Got it. As far as PE ratios, phenomenal. And their numbers are going to only get better and bigger. And then we'll update you on my YOLO position. So my YOLO position is now, and you'll see it, over $50,000 of GameStop. Cost average below 24. I'm in the 23s. Took a real stab at it just because the discount they were giving me. I did so much thought, I thought it through. And the best part about it was I bought it all early in the day. So that run from 22.50-ish all the way to 23.50, 23.60, I caught the whole run. So I was really happy. But this is by design to be at 23.99 with 51,000. 51, Team 51. So I told you that was my goal. I didn't know I was going to do it today, but something told me Something told me to go for it, and so I went for it. So you guys will see all those totals. You'll see everything that I put in today, and what I continue to put in for the month. I think we're up over maybe 17,000 for the month. I just believe in this company, and I always have. And I know a lot of people have always challenged me to do more, or oh, Marantz, you need to prove yourself, and it's just it's stupid. It's trivial. I could have done this years ago. The truth is, I don't jeopardize or leverage myself that way. I'm now in the position to take advantage of these low prices, and I'm happy to do it. My cost average is about to be hit, as a matter of fact. We're getting close. Taking off my shoes like I'm Mr. Rogers right now. I had a long day. I had so many functions I have to go to, marketing meetings, city council meetings, just being around the community and seeing people and talking, and they're like, yeah, what's going on now? So, it's life, it's business. But I will tell you, I wish I could be here more. I do. I took on this new challenge because it intrigued me and it allowed me a lot of flexibility. The flexibility was with my family, and that's a fair trade for me for all the years that I've put in on the other side of that. But let's talk education and let's talk the stock. I see people out here putting out misinformation and or videos about the value of GameStop and why it's a negative outlook or diminished outlook from certain categories. And I would just tell you this: I don't think anything's diminished. I don't look at it like that. I look at GameStop from the vantage point of more dollars per man hour, smaller SKUs, tightened up the books, and it's profitable, like really profitable. So because it's not just about what GameStop makes, it's what it does for other companies that partner up with them. And I already told you the most valuable asset GameStop has is not the cash, it's not the leadership, it's you, the consumer, you, the investor. You guys will consume and support this company because of the allegiance you have, whether it be Team 51 or the GameStop cult or whatever they want to call it. I don't care what we call it, honestly. I just know how I feel about the stock, the company, and our investment. So I know I'm not live tonight. Very tired. I'm about to go lay down and talk to the kitten and try to catch up in life. But soon, guys, soon. In due time, I'll have enough energy and enough wherewithal to get through it all. But right now, I'm a sponge. I'm trying to take everything in. I'm like a wallflower. But it's hard to be a wallflower when you're so excited about GameStop going up. I'm proud. I'm proud that there was an article in Yahoo Finance that said GameStop's a $50 to $100 stock. You have all those distractions. You have Beyond Meat and whatever else they want to put in front of you. I don't really care. I already told you. I don't care what they name those small cap companies, those penny stocks that they want you to play with. All the distraction, right? The timing of it all, just a distraction from what GameStop is. So I found the NBA story more intriguing than anything on the stock world, because I was like, man, everybody knows these guys cheat and rig games and stuff. I've been saying this forever, but I don't. That's why I don't watch. It's all trash to me. But it's cool. You rigged a basketball game, and some people got caught, right? I mean, I'm with you, Cash Patel, but let me tell you something, bro. When are you gonna start arresting your buddies? Everybody on Wall Street, everybody in a room. I was at this mixer tonight, and there was a guy there, and he was from like some brokerage. I don't know if it was Morgan Stanley or something. He's our investment guru. And I'm sitting there just looking at him, just loud. He looks just like a bro. Just like a stock bro. Button-up t-shirt, no undershirt, with a fake ugly watch. And hey, what's going on, guys? Yeah, what do you... And, he must have been like this big. And he was just... So what do you invest in? Oh, yeah, no, yeah. Crypto, yeah, no, we're in Ripple. Yep. Cardano, that's just what we do, man. Coins, we've got a lot of coins. Onyx, yeah. And I was just like, who? What? I go, hey, what's the balance sheet look like on those companies, man? Companies? What are you talking about, bro? This is cryptocurrency. Oh, I didn't even know what. Oh, I definitely don't know what you're talking about. That was me today. So, anyway, I'm exhausted, guys. Ooh, I mean, really exhausted, and I need to catch up because I've been burning at both ends right now. But you would be burning it too if you were so excited about a number. This is not the number. This is not the number. Oh no, 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 no. I was memorizing the number. I was like, so let's get rid of some stuff. Let's go. So it's 51,000. I'll just leave that in bold. The shares are 2,000. Oh yeah, if you were catching, if you thought I was catching up to you, you thought you were gonna catch me. 2,125. Okay, the cost average is 23.99. Eat your heart out, America. It's my YOLO update. Care about the stock. I care about you guys too, but I got to get going. I have a life to live. I'm not like what's that dude? I'm not like Richard Newton. Oh, I quit, and then he comes back every other text and stuff. No, I'm not quitting YouTube. It's hard for me to find time right now. But these are good problems to have. I'm blessed. I'm right where God puts me. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. God put me here, millionaires. Peace.